now from Karnataka to Delhi, where there's been some good news because we're now down to 17.8% positivity rate. That's a 50% dip in 2 weeks. But of course, that's way beyond the 5% positivity rate the WHO recommends to be at a safe level for COVID.
22 days since Delhi went into emergency mode and hundreds of valuable lives lost, the situation regarding beds is finally easing up in India's capital. Today, a 500 ICU bed facility opened to patients attached to Delhi's Guru Tegh Bahadur COVID hospital. A similar setup of another 500 ICU beds will be launched at the historic Ram Leela grounds near LNJP hospital 3 days from now. For the first time today, Delhi's hospital dashboard showed at least 4,000 beds available, up from over 2,000 beds on the 20th of April, the second day of lockdown. A visible spike in the availability of beds.
कोरोना की दूसरी लहर भी अब कम हो रही है थोड़ी। आप सभी के सहयोग से लॉकडाउन भी सफल रहा। कल ही जीटीबी हॉस्पिटल के सामने 500 नए आईसीयू के बेड चालू किए हैं। अब दिल्ली में आईसीयू और ऑक्सीजन के बेड्स की कमी नहीं है।
This came along with data showing Delhi's lockdown had worked, the positivity rate dropping to the lowest since the middle of April. On the 11th of May, the positivity rate of Delhi was at 17.8%. But on the 26th of April, positivity rate was at 35%. In simpler words, 15 days ago, 35 in 100 were found COVID positive. But today, as of the 11th of May, every 17 to 18 in 100 is found to be COVID positive. This, however, doesn't mean Delhi has turned the corner. That the state's health minister says will only happen when we are below a positivity rate of 5%.
दिल्ली के अंदर हॉस्पिटल्स की बेड की अभी भी डिमांड है। अभी भी देखिएगा 23,000 के करीब बेड हैं दिल्ली में जो कोरोना के हैं, जिसमें से 20,000 के करीब ऑक्यूपाइड है। 20,000 एडमिशन बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। खाली बेड तो हैं 3,500 के करीब खाली बेड है, बट उससे भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि 20,000 लोग अस्पतालों के अंदर एडमिट हैं।
Delhi's lockdown may have certainly helped in bringing the number of cases and the positivity rate down. And while measures are being taken to strengthen the fight against COVID with additional ICU beds, officials continue to put out a warning saying that it is not yet time to let our guard down. In New Delhi, with Sharat Sharma and camera person Sushil Rathi, Shanakshi Chakravarti for NDTV.